Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from today's Leetcode contest, weekly contest 324, and the problem name is count pairs of similar strings. And I will be explaining the problem statement and we will discuss its approach, how to solve it, and we will see its code in C++ language. So let's get started. So we'll start with reading the question. So it is saying that you are given a zero index string array words. So here we'll be having a array of strings. Two strings are similar if they consist of same characters. Here they have given two examples. So in the first example, A, B, C, A, C, B are similar since both consist of characters A, B, C. So this string is consists of ABC and this is made up of ABC. Both are made up of three characters A, B, C. So these both strings are similar strings. However, A, B, A, C, B, A and B, C, F, D are not similar since they do not consist of same characters. Here it is made up of A, B, C. It is made up of B, C, F, D. It is not containing A and this string is not containing F, D. So these two strings are not similar, and it is saying return the number of pairs. We have to return number of pairs I, j such that I is less than j and both I, j is less greater than equal to 0 and I, j are less than equal to word length minus 1, and two strings words I and word j are similar. So now let's see test cases. It will become more clear through test cases. So in this test case, this ABA is made up of AB and this AB AABB is made up of two characters AB. So these two forms a pair, and ABCD, let's check, is it making pair with any other string? It is made up of a four characters ABCD. It is not containing D, it is also not containing D, so it is not going to make pair with either of these two strings. Let's consider these two strings. It is made up of ABC and it is also made up of ABC. These both strings are made up of same characters ABC, so these two strings to make a pair. So there are two pairs. So here output is 2. Now let us see next test case. So in this test case, we have a string which is made up of AB, AABB, and this AB is also made up of AB, and this AB is also made up of A and B. So both these three strings, all of them are made up of two characters A and B. So this is a pair. These two forms a pair, and these two forms a pair, and these two forms a pair. So there are three pairs here. So the output is 3. In this, it is made up of three characters NBA. It is not containing N, so these two will not form pair. And it is DBA. It is not it is also not containing N, so these two will not form a pair. And if we compare these two, it is made up of three characters CBA and it is made up of DBA. It is not containing D and it is not containing C, so these two will also not form pair. So there is no pair, so here output is 0. Now now let us understand the approach. So here will be given array of strings. So let's consider there are four strings given, 1 2 3 4. It is A B B B B, and it is C C C C. It is D E F. It is G G Z J. So I am going to make here vector of character set. I'm going to make here vector of character set. So I'm going to make 4 character set here that will store the number of the how many different characters each string is containing. As we know that this container set holds only unique value. So I will be keep on inserting each character one by one in this set, but it will not contain any duplicate value. It will contain each character only once. So if I insert all these characters in character set, it will contain only AB, and for this string character set will contain C, and for this string it will contain D, E, F, and for this string that is G, G, Z, J, it will contain G, Z, J. So now I am left with comparing these character sets. Now I am having vector of character set. So I will be comparing this character set with all these character set. If this character set matches with any other character set, then I'm going to increase my counter answer by 1. I will compare with this, I will compare with this, and I will compare with this. If it matches, then I will increase my answer. And after comparing this with every all other all other character sets after it, I will pick this character set and compare with all the character sets after it one by one, and if it matches, this character set matches with any other character set, I will increase my answer by 1. In this way, after comparing each character set with the all other character set after it, I will be having here number of pairs of strings in which characters are same. Now let us see the code. It will become more clear through the code. So now let's code it. So here I am creating vector of set of characters. Let's name it VP. Now finding out the number of elements in this array words, let's name this variable len, and it will contain size of this array words, so words dot size. And now I am putting here a for loop to traverse through this array words, so it will start from 0 till len I plus plus. So here I am going to get a string for each index, so I am going to store it in my string s, and it will be words I. Now finding out the length of this string, let's name it len2, that is s dot length, and creating a set here that is going to store the characters which are used to create this string. So set of characters, let's name it st. Now putting here a for loop that will start from 0 till the length of the string, that is j less than len2 j plus plus. So here I am going to insert each character in my set, so I will do st dot insert, and character will be st s j. So now each character will be stored uniquely in my set, and after inserting all the characters of the given string in my set, I will insert this set in my vector. So vp dot push back st. Now after this for loop, I will have all the character sets in my vector vp. So now I have to compare these character sets with each other. So for int 0 I 0 till length, so there will be same number of character sets in my vector vp as there are strings in array words, so it will run till len and I plus plus. Now in this for loop, I will again put a nested for loop inside it, which will run from the next index, that is I plus 1, so that I can compare with each set present after it, present after a particular set. So till j is less than len j plus plus. Now in this I will compare if set given by the upper loop, that is vpi, is equals to set given by the lower loop, that is vpj. If it is so if it is happens to be true, then I will increase my counter. Let's name it answer, initialize it with 0. And if it is true, then I will increase my counter as I have found a pair. I have found two sets to be equal. This means that these two strings are forming pair as they are made up of same characters. And after this for loop, I'm going to return this answer. So this is the code. Now let's try to run it. So it is showing correct answer. Now let's try to submit it. Yes, it is accepted.